The other Ally course tool is the accessibility report, and it will show up in the course tools listing when it's activated. When you click on it, it will launch the broader course report and gives you the overall score, the average that Ally is calculating for all the content that it's evaluated. So I'm currently at 63%. Gives me a breakdown of the types of content Ally is finding within my course. So PDFs and Word documents share for the top spot at 5 each. On the right-hand side, Ally will show 2 accessibility issues at a time. There's 7 total categories that might appear here. First, easiest issues to fix. So if I click the start, it's going to list out those items that have things that are easy to fix. Images, maybe missing descriptions, or fixing my headings, I believe is an easy fix. So it's listing out those files that have things that I can correct rather quickly to make improvements to the overall accessibility. Low scoring content, so those items that are kind of in the red area, might be trying to get rid of the red, get everything up. Although some of these with scanned PDFs or untagged PDFs, they're not trivial things to resolve. They can take some time to fix, but showing you the low scoring items. If I would resolve all the easy issues and I still have some low scoring content, this would move up at the number 1 position, and then the next categorization would show up. There can be overlap as well. So something could be an easy issue to fix, could also be a low scoring item. So if I have an image in my course that's missing a description, that's going to be in both of those areas. The content tab and the view button are going to take me to the same place. So it's going to list out my items, and it's going to sort them by lowest scoring item at the top of the list. If I change the sort, I could show the highest scored item. I could sort by number of issues or the name of the content. I could click on one of these items, and it's going to load up the preview that we saw previously when launching it from my course. So we have our untagged PDF, and then the other issues that exist within this particular PDF. Most of them, because it's an untagged PDF, often means we're not going to have our language set or don't have a title. At the bottom, we have the different issues listed out, and this will match what you see in the institutional report. So it'll be the same labeling for the issue, same severity level of severe, major, or minor. I could click on, we'll do this one, document contains images without descriptions. We can see all those documents that have images missing a description, or document that here table doesn't have headers. So here's our Vincent van Gogh document. At this point, I'm going to just upload a fixed version. So I'm going to upload a version where we've fixed our table, and also I've set my headings, so it'll get it up to 100%. You'll notice when I close out the Ally window, the Vincent van Gogh document is going to be in the list, and then it will disappear rather quickly from the list, and my score will also have already increased within the report. So I was at 63%. By fixing this particular file, I've increased my overall course to 66%. Ally is checking the HTML content. There's one specific issue that I want to talk about in a little more detail. So this one, HTML content contains videos without captions. So let me select this. So what we have on these particular items are links to YouTube videos. As the item title might indicate here, it's just an external link that I added and linked out to a YouTube video. Or in this one I have, I think, a YouTube video embedded within the text editor. So YouTube has a public API that Ally is able to interact with, and based on the ID of the video, it can use that API to determine what type of captioning exists on the video. So it's checking for no captions, auto-generated captions or user-edited captions. If it's no captions or auto-generated captions, it will get picked up by this issue and be listed in the report. But important thing to see here is that it doesn't affect the score. So the score is 100% because while Ally can check to see if there's no captions or auto-generated captions, in the case of the auto-generated captions, it doesn't go through all the captioning and compare it to the audio and determine is it accurate or not. So it doesn't have that level of capability to do that. So it doesn't come up and affect the score. It's an important thing to know. It's just an informational issue to let you know that somebody that's hearing impaired, either there's no captions on this video or there's auto-generated captions where there likely is mistakes in doing the automatic conversion on the YouTube side, where if I was hearing impaired, I could be getting a very different experience with the incorrect captioning compared to somebody that can hear the audio that goes along with the video. So that's why it pulls it in as this issue, even if there are auto-generated captions. So that's a quick overview of the overarching course report.